Guys, this is Faye. This is my first video. Kinda just want people to get to know me. I'm a faggot. Let's put that out there. Pure blood faggot. Even look around my bed, it's nothing but stuffed animals and my purse. Today I kind of want to go through my purse, because the way I look at it, you can tell a lot about a person by what's in their purse. So let's begin. The camera is sometimes in my mouth. Okay, first thing I pull out is my crappy phone. Yay. And let's see. Deck of cursed cards that say Red Dead Redemption on it. Oh well, also my purse is even kind of faggy. And let's see. My foxtail. Super fluffy and I love it. No, you can't have it. Pack of tarot cards. I'm Wiccan, so I use those a lot. Body spray. Various bracelets and my choker collar. I'm kind of into bondage. That wasn't really necessary to say. Professional grade headphones. My 3DS. I love it to death. Let's see, what else? My MP3 player, which is a piece of crap. That's my e-reader. Bottle of cologne. Let's see, what else? Can I find? Pair of speakers. Something else in here. Oh, I know what that is. My knife, which I use because I get bullied a lot, and it's my little bit of peace of mind. And I think that's it. Okay, that's my first video. I know it's short. I don't really have